gonna be so heavy. So we rack it up by jack. Guy in the front is mine. So I use my jack to move them around. See that guy? Now we got the last one, 4 of them. We lift it up and bring it over. This all to do today. Spend almost like about 6-7 hours, but we on a video about a couple of minutes, 10 minutes. We use lawn mower, I mean to move them because so heavy they cannot lift it up by 2 guys. Move like this. Okay, thank you guys. Right now, after this, I'm gonna dump more soil on. This way I'm still showing all this in here. You can see it, right? Next one, soil already done. And 3 of them. A lot of water inside already. So that it's done. And I like to look back from here. Look how mess there. Alright? Every year I gotta clean all this mess. So I'm getting tired. I use the saw. It's stuck in between, you know, the chainsaw. I use the hand cut. That takes too long to be done. I use another, you know, trim very hard. So finally, I'm gonna use 4 of these plants. I don't know exactly, but look like this one is a good one, and for last labor. Alright, guys. So heavy I cannot carry. Mine, thank you very much. And you guys like, subscribe for me. That's the best I can. Done. Thank you so much.